Stratty bound, getting ready for Adder Comp. This is gonna be cool. All I can say, it's hot. It's roasting, dude. Look how clear the water was. That's nice, eh?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh hey.
Yeah, they just come for a pat.
For a pat.
First little paddle of the Adderock special. It's pretty windy this afternoon, but we'll go for a quick session anyway. See how we go. Cool. Look at that. Spin around. Yeah, nice. Oh man. What's this? Turn me around. That's it. Turn me around. Staying on the surface, whatever it is. Well, it's very bouncy. Yeah, come on, boys. Oh man. Whatever it is, it was on the surface. It was going for ages, like just on the surface, and now it's decided to dive down. Still going. I hope it's not a shark. Woo. Yeah, it took a big run, I don't know. It took a pretty big run on the surface for ages. Not sure, it might be a tuna maybe, or a bloody big shark. Yeah. I haven't even seen it yet. Maybe a tuna. Tuna. Or a shark. Jeez, it took a run, man. It was just like, nah, for ages. I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna run out of line. Oh man, this thing's huge. Metre and a half bloody tuna, man. Holy hell. Should we keep it? It's a longie, man. It's like this bloody big. Yeah. Holy crap, man. Holy shit. Oh, that is insane. That's the biggest fish I've ever caught. That is the most epic shit ever. That's insane. That's by far the biggest fish I've ever caught. It's crazy. No kidding, man, it's about 1.5 meters long. Yeah, it's like in its gills, man, so I couldn't let it go. I didn't want it. I pretty much caught it as soon as I got out there. It's like 40 minutes. Nah. Just dragging me around, man, eh?
Oh, good work.
It's huge, man. Literally just looked at that, it's starting to get a bit bouncy, and then off he went. Awesome. Oh yeah, that's a good run. Cool. I was just about gonna give up. I was like, give it another half hour and I'll head back in, do an arvo sesh, something like that. But might have a Spanish. That'd be nice. I don't want any more longies. I think I got enough tuna for a while. Come on, bring him up. What is it? Oh, that looks alright. I think I'll take him. Oh, he's decided he hasn't had enough yet. Okay. He's got a little bit more steam left in him yet. She's not happy, I gotta move. It's too rough here. Getting close to those rocks too. Woo! Fish number 2! Awesome. Jeez, what a bloody awesome trip this is turning out to be. Wow.
I'll be falling down, you'll be watching by my side, by my side.
First of the lighties, quick. Give him to me.
Just need you in my life, in my life. Just keep trying, baby, please just come here, babe. You keep me in my mouth and it's all inside, yeah, inside.
That was intense. A couple of the guys got cleaned up, and one kayak went flying, man, and he cleaned up another guy. Wow. I suppose it's always the downside of when there's so many people all squished together trying to get over the big swell. You just never know what's going to happen, I guess. Oh, first things first, gotta try and find some bait. I think everyone's trying to find some bait. Where are the liveys at? off for the Arvo session now. This morning we didn't get anything, had a couple of hits, but hopefully the Arvo session will be better. Okay, a bit of an update. Got some liveys. Took me a little while to get them, but we're about 5, so there should be plenty for this session. We're fishing now. We're into it. Whoop. I think something just gave that a bit of a touch up there. I think that just got hit. Okay, second afternoon session. First one didn't go as planned. We got a couple of hits, dropped both of them. So, try and get a few more liveys and have another crack at it. See if we can't find some bloody Spanish, that'd be nice. Anything. Yeah. About time. Alright. Yeah. Jumping, man. Maybe a Spanish.
Something.
Yeah, it's like a little shaky. Alright. Good buddy. Fish on finally. That sucks. Come on. Oh, I'm starting to see some colour. What do we got? Oh, it's a bloody Mac tuna. Dirty old Mac tuna. A Mac tuna. Spewing. Bloody big one too. Oh, it's a big one anyway. Big old Mac tuna. Not what I wanted for the Arvo session, but there we go. Get a quick measure of him. $75. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. See you later.
The boundary we're going to bring into the headland off of cylinder.
Yeah, hopefully we can turn it around today, hey?
I'm so
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely worse the further you go down, isn't it? You gotta deal with a longer break. That guy's gotta get hammered. Yeah. Especially in Dundas bloody so many days in a row, eh? Feel it in your back. I've been paddling months, man. They're like back-to-back sessions and so far out. I'm dying. Calm before the storm, man, eh? Look how flat it is.
Yeah, it's perfect out here. So much better than yesterday.
Yeah. It dropped off more in the afternoon, which was nice. In the morning was like proper wild.
Yeah,
that was hectic. How's this for conditions? Last day of comp, it's pouring down. As long as the wind doesn't pick up too much, it should be okay, but oh man, took about a rough one.
It's been an amazing success, regardless of whether you had fun. Everyone's back alive, and that's the most important thing. After yesterday, I think we realised that Ada once again delivered, as she seems to do every year for us.
I'm so falling into pieces. I'm so alone. Falling into pieces. I'm so alone. I'm so falling into pieces. I'm so alone. Falling into pieces. I'm so alone. Lost control. Baby, please just call me back. You keep me inside. Yeah, inside.
She's looking nice and clean again after the Ada weekend trip. Turned out to be a pretty good weekend, really. Well, a week for me. We went over early, did a few pre-sessions, and ended up catching one of the biggest longtail I've caught in a long time, and a nice Spanish, which was even better because I love mackerel. Yeah, and I guess we'll put a bit of a shout out to Dennis and the Stealth crew for putting that comp on. It was an awesome experience. Good just hanging out with all the guys and catching up and sharing some stories. So hopefully maybe next year we'll do it again. And see you in the next bit.